Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have admin rights and backup in place. This prevents accidental data loss. Next, find the RSS feed URL you'll add, copy it to the clipboard. Once done, open your WordPress dashboard and go to Plugins Add New. Install a reputable RSS import plugin e.g., an aggregator, and activate it. Make sure to check plugin reviews and compatibility. This reduces conflicts later and gets you ready for configuration in the next step. You now configure the plugin, add the RSS URL into the plugin's feed list and name it clearly. Then map incoming items to your site, choose post type, category, and whether to assign a default author or create new users. Once set, handle media, enable remote image import or use featured image mapping. Set the cron or import frequency and decide duplicate rules. Make sure to preview a single import. That confirms mapping works before full automated scheduling begins. Finish by running a manual import and inspect 3 to 5 posts to confirm formatting, images, and categories import correctly. Once satisfied, enable scheduled imports and monitor the plugin logs and site performance for the next 24 to 48 hours. If items fail to import or appear broken, check feed validity with an RSS validator, deactivate recent plugins to rule out conflicts, and verify server limits like memory and execution time. If problems persist, revert to staging backup and adjust settings before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.